and welcome to another episode of Kiki's Art. Today we're going to be making a bead lizard. The materials we'll need are 27 dark green beads, 21 light green beads, and 2 blue beads. You will also be needing scissors and 3 feet of elastic string. So get your materials and let's get started. Okay guys, we start off with 1 dark green bead. We slide it through one of the side of the strings and put both ends together, and then do this so the bead will come to the center, and try to keep that bead in the center for the rest of the time. Now we take 2 dark green beads, slide them on, and then take the other side and slide it through like that and pull. Like that. And it should look like this. Next, we take the left string, put on 1 blue bead, 1 dark green bead, and 1 blue bead. And the same as we did before, take the other string and slide it through all of the beads from the opposite side and pull. So it should look like this. Then we take 2 dark green beads, slide them on, then take the other string and slide it through the 2 beads from the opposite side. Then pull. And then this is the head. Now let's start the shoulders of the lizard with 1 dark green, 1 light green, and 1 dark green. And do the same that we did before. Take the other string and slide it through the opposite side through all of the beads and pull. Now we're going to start the arms. This is a little different, a little trickier. So you take 2 dark green beads and slide them all the way down to the body like this. Then take 3 light green beads and slide them all the way down to the body like that. Then skip all these 3 light green beads, take the 2 and put the same string back through these two dark green beads. So it should look like this. Like that. I'll repeat that one more time on the other side. So, take the other string and put two dark green beads down and to the body. Then take 3 light green beads and slide them down. Then, skipping these 3 light green beads, take the 2 and put the same string back through the 2 beads, just like that. So, and then pull. And it should look like that. Make sure to be very tight. And now let's start with the stomach. We take 1 dark green bead, 2 light green beads, and 1 dark green. So this. And then, through the opposite side, put the other string back through the beads. All 4 beads. One by one, if it's too hard for you to do it all together. And then, of course, pull. And so this is so far on our lizard. And now we're going to do the bottom half. So we repeat this step that we just did again. So we take 1 green, 1 dark green, 2 light green, and 1 dark green. And take the other string, and from the opposite side, slide it through all the beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and pull. So it should look like that. Then we're going to do the back legs right after this step. We're going to do this step that we did here again. So take 1 dark green, 1 light green, and 1 dark green. And then take the other string and slide it through all 3. I think it's easier to do it one by one so your string doesn't get stuck in the middle of the beads. But you can do it however you want. Oh, and also before we finish, you could also do it whatever color you would like this, pink and orange, or like blue and red, whatever you like. Anyways, now we're starting with the back legs, these two. So, let's start with the right leg. We take 2 dark green beads, slide them all the way to the body, like that, and then take 3 light green beads and slide them through like that. Skip these 3 light green beads and slide it back through the 2 dark green beads, like that. And then pull. Like that. And then we do it with the other side. We take 2 dark green beads, slide them down to the body, 3 light green beads, 3, and then skip the 3 and go back through the 2 dark green beads, one by one or all together. Like that. And then pull. Pull it all the way to the body, like that. Then we're starting with the tail now. We're almost at the end. We take 2 dark green beads and slide them through one of the strings, doesn't matter which one, and slide the other string back through the 2 beads from the opposite side, one by one or all together, and then pull. And now take the light green bead, only one, and slide it through. And then take the opposite string and slide it through the opposite side, like that. And then pull. So it should look like this. And now we take a dark green bead, take it and slide it through one string, then take another string and slide it through the opposite side and pull. So it should look like this. And now let's take another light green bead, a single one, and do the same thing we've done to the other 2. Same with all the other beads. Fast forward this part. And now, with the last bead, put it through one side, and with the other string, slide it through the opposite, and pull. So this is our lizard, and the only thing we have to do is tie off the end. So what we do is a normal to a double knot. What we do to that, if you don't know, is cross over like this, and then take one string and put it through the loop. Should look like this, like a pretzel, and pull. And again. Cross over. Take over, through, and pull. Make sure to pull very tight because you don't want it to become undone and all the beads would fall out. And so, the last step is to take your scissors and cut off the extra string. And there you have it, your bead lizard. I hope your bead lizard was a success. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. See you next time. Keep creating.